What this says is, in its simplest possible terms, is that while you may be involved in praying to God, the ultimate reality is God is praying for you. Understand that? The Father's good pleasure to give you the kingdom. The allness has but one intent as far as you're concerned. That is to perfect itself and to express itself in and as you. Life is seeking to fulfill itself in you, in the renewing process of your body. Love is constantly renewing itself in you. The Bible says, "For I have loved thee with an everlasting love." Guidance is a principle that is ever present, always seeking to direct you and guide you at the point of your experience, at every turning of life's way. So the allness is ever seeking to express itself in the eachness, so that God is praying for you. So the reason, this is why I say so often, don't pray to God, but pray from the consciousness of God. First of all, be still and know that I am. You don't have to reach God. You have to reach yourself. You have to wake up. Stop thinking in terms of separation and absence and saying prayers and doing all sorts of magic things as you're going to cause something out here to come into me. Be still and know my oneness. Be still and know that I am. That God is present, not absent. And in the knowing that, then I become relaxed and receptive, and I allow that infinite process to simply do its perfect work. And its perfect work is to express itself totally and completely in me. It has no other intent as far as I'm concerned, except to heal me, to guide me, to direct me. So I don't have to beg and plead and supplicate. As long as I'm begging and pleading and supplicating, I'm creating a separation. I create the barrier, and then I try to surpass it. Be still and know that I am.